guys, what's up? It's Nakira and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can style your pixie cut at home like a pro. No salon needed, no stylist, no nothing. You the stylist, boo. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So there are 5 essential steps to a pop-in pixie cut. Number 1 is wash, 2, mold, 3, dry, 4, style, and number 5, my favorite but optional, is to set your hair. Alright, so first things first, we are starting out with dirty hair that we gotta get nice and clean in the shower. So first I'm going to be shampooing my hair. I'm going to be using the Clairol I Thrive Keratin shampoo. This is just like a little sample I had just to try it out, and it was actually pretty nice. I'm going to be using my absolute favorite conditioner, the It's a 10 Miracle Hair Mask. I'm just going to take a glob of that and apply it all over my hair. Once I work the conditioner throughout my hair, I let it sit on for 10 minutes and then I wash it out. I really love using a leave-in conditioner to help strengthen my hair and to help detangle. So I'm going to add in the One United by Redken leave-in conditioner all over my head. So next is the most crucial part of styling your pixie cut, is the mold. The mold is so important. It's like the outline, the blueprint, the foundation to a slayed pixie cut. The mold is how you get that I just left the salon look. So make sure you slay this mold. Your pixie cut is counting on you to make sure. I'm being so dramatic, but yeah, no, for real. The mold is really the key to popping hair. If you've watched any of my other hair videos, you would know that I absolutely swear by the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. This product is probably in my top 3 most important products that I have whenever I'm doing my hair. And I love that it's a salon quality product that you can use at home. So at this point, you can freestyle it or mold your hair any direction that you normally like, but I want an effortless finish to my style with feathery bangs. So I'm gonna mold my hair so that my hair lays nicely to the side and falls into place flawlessly. And don't worry, I have all the products that I use in this video, along with other products that I use on my hair, linked below in the description box. So now that everything is nice and molded, I add my mesh wrap cap. So for drying your hair, you can always air dry overnight, but I highly recommend investing into a portable hair dryer. It really helps with getting that salon finish and cuts down on time tremendously. I'll link the ones that I've used down in the description box below. So we are nice and dried, and now it's time to style. So first I'm going to be using my Keracare essential oils, and I'm also going to add in a little of my Design Essentials Silk Serum all over my hair, and that's what gives that nice, shiny, silky, velvety finish. When you curl your hair, you want to pay attention to your wrist and your hand and how it's moving, because that is really the guide to getting a large curl, a small curl, whatever curl that you like. Today, I'm going for more body than anything. I want a nice feathery look to my bangs. So I'm only going to turn my wrist just slightly so I can get that body that I'm looking for. So you already know at the end we have to lay these edges. I know that they already laid from the mold, but we a little extra, so we like to make sure that they're nice and secured with some edge control. I'm using the Style Factor edge control, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of that on top of my edges, and I'm just going to brush them out so that they lay flat under my wrap. Lastly, I add my silk wrap cap on top, and at this point you can either go to bed, you can go and do some errands, or whatever you need to do. I'm just going to put on my makeup and I'm going to come right back and show you guys the final look. For one final touch, I like to add just a little bit more of my oil on top, just so that everything looks nice and shiny. This is a very, very light oil, so it's not going to weigh down your hair. It just gives like the most beautiful finish at the end of a style. If you've learned something new in this video, make sure you click that like button, and before you leave, go ahead and click the subscribe button too, so you can see more pixie hairstyles from me. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.